In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can update your Apple TV to the newest operating system, which is iOS 26. So you're going to want to grab your remote control, go here to the home menu. Now I went ahead and updated it, but I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step way of doing it. So you're going to want to go right there to where it says settings, click on that. Okay, now you're going to scroll down, go to system right there. Click on System, and then you'll see where it says Software Updates. Go ahead and click on that. All right, and then you'll click on Update Software. But since I already updated it, as you can see right here, I got iOS 26. It's already installed on there, but you'll just click on Update Software and let it go through all its proper steps. And it'll take a few minutes, but then that's how you get the latest iOS 26 on your Apple TV.